Hey yo, what's up guys? Today we're back on Animal Hospital. We're gonna play a few more shifts. Our top shift is shift 6, and I'm not an intern anymore. I am a nurse. Please don't kick me out. Please don't kick me out. Please don't kick me out. Let's go. We are in. Okay, nice. Okay, nice. Oh my god, whenever they put that, they sound like an anomaly. That's what I hate. Stamp. Boom. Should be good. And my friend said for muscle memory, they need like eye drops for the first time. So I'll just keep the eye drops. And the maple syrup gets the hand monsters away from you. Somebody's here. Ouch. Bro, load. Stomachache. Herbs. Okay then. Okay. Low-key, I'll literally shoot the person that's literally. I'll take especially. Okay, chill out. Oh no. Clean. Oh my god, I'm just waiting for this thing to. The game is like way harder with. The game is like way harder with one person. Just wait here. Can I get on first person? Nice. Okay, nice. Shut up, bro. Should be good. And watch. Let's gamble on the eye drops. You're still ouch. Come on. Give me something. Let's go. You see what I'm talking about? It's basically the same thing every time. Could I not give it to him? Okay, doctor. Dr. Harlow's here. Greetings. The ambulance part is hard. Yeah, I don't like. Also, I don't like how they talk. But I guess I got pro with this game. Let's go. Nice. Let's follow him. Oh. Let me come with you. Oh man. That's giving me anomaly vibes. My god. Okay. I've learned. But let me just check his picture real quick. Oh my god. Holy, that is a cursed picture. You see how their head pushes? Yeah, that means they're anomalies. And bro, this guy got empty eyes. Okay, I'm gonna lose 20 sanity. Oh, what you gonna do? Oh my god, give me some coffee, boy. Chill out. Yo. Check you well. Nice. I'll just show you in the meantime. You're looking good. Yep, you're looking good. You be in picture. Room 2. Okay. Room 1. My bad. Then this guy is somebody's here. He's gonna need some ointment. And I'm sure that didn't work. Oh my god, it's still brewing. I got 63 bucks. That's W. 63 is not that much, but before I try to start, well, be good. Yeah, I'm gonna drink that as soon as it finishes. Matthew! That's my boy Matthew. I'm gonna talk about how being small has its advantages. See? What did I tell you? That's Matthew though. It's my boy Matthew. That's not. Just give me your papers, Matthew. I'll check you in. Okay, just gotta check you in. Let's go, Matthew. Looking good, Matthew. Let me just check this out. Okay. Gotta be careful with the just Matthew's going. Matthew. Hurry up, Matthew. Finalize. It already finalized, but okay. Let's treat one and then I'll treat Matthew. Ointment and third. Thermal and ointment. Let's go, we got him. 1, 2, and 1. Let's go. Now we gotta finalize Matthew, and then we're gonna just go check out what this guy got. Cough syrup and medicine. Flu and headache. Okay. Cough syrup and medicine. Cough syrup and sure. Medicine. I wonder what this medicine has in it. Have a speedy recovery, boy. He's Canadian? Oh, I didn't know Matthew was Canadian. Cough syrup and maple syrup. That's actually perfect. I'm gonna close Matthew's door. What's up, Harlow? Oh, we're finally gonna get the thing. Took it long enough. It's like a library. Hey, they got chocolate. 135, damn. 163. I am not gonna buy that. Okay, nice. We got choco. Well, we shouldn't eat that. We should drink the coffee, because that could actually regenerate us. Okay, nice. Good. I know the wrath you guys never normally. Oh, in this shift, I think Rathu comes. Oh, we got 4 patients we gotta check in. I'll just let this guy wait. Greetings. Just hurry up and give me your phone, let me stamp it. Done. I did not see anything. I don't think that person was an animal. So we gotta be fast and speedy with this. We gotta hurry up with all the animals. Okay, that's herbs. Nice herbs. Okay. So I'm gonna check something. It's possible. If somebody starts a death ritual, I will crash out, bro. Okay, nice. Let me just check this guy over again. Yeah, he looks good. Oh, yeah. Buddy. 8! Oh no. Hold up, bro. 8 is surgery, so I gotta go do the surgery. Dear God. Dear God. Greetings. Nice. You just stamp your thing. Back, I gotta do this. Antibiotics. Scissors. Scalpel. Scissors. Six seconds. Bro, it's always so hard to do the surgery. Bro, I guess I'm good. Things closed. Oh, I thought somebody was doing the guy. Okay. Alright, let's take that picture. Beautiful, beautiful picture. Just check if you're looking good. Checking. Is looking good. Nice, looking good, buddy. 7. I think 7 is the heart thing. So either 7 is the MRI or the heart thing. I mean the actual or the heart thing. Rathu, what's up, my man? You're a good guy. Yes, I know, Rathu. Oh my God, I knew you were gonna come. What's up, Rathu? What's up, Rathu? Yes, sir. I don't trust anyone here. I'll trust myself. Sorry for your wait, sir. I just gotta do it quick. A quick check on the security cameras. Oh, that's good. This guy's got a big ass. Yo, can you wait? Wait, Naman. Wait, Naman. Wait, Naman. Like, wait, Naman. Okay. Get in your room. I'll just borrow, I'll just steal those samples from you. I think oh my god, I hate the MRI and stuff. Okay, let's process the results. Just gonna finalize. IV job trips. Matthew called me a good guy. That means I'm a great guy. $72. I think my thing should be ready. Chill out, man. Chill out. Nice. Okay. Chill out. If you're an anomaly, I will literally be. What's that one? Wait, no, it's this one. What does it say? You didn't say nothing, little bro. What the whole thing? Natural illusion. Oh, nice. Now get off of my screen. IV drops. Didn't I connect him to ID, bro? IV? This thing does not really make sense, but I guess I'll have to live with it. Okay. Speedy recovery. Greetings. Okay. Yeah. Should be good. I'll be 1 second after I check it. No. Let's go to room 4 with me. I can't move, bro. I'm like, what? Why can't I move? I bet. Let's go. And room 4. Just like stuff like doctors. Get welcome to room 4. Like that, yeah. Oh. Nice. I'm happy there's no monsters. Bleeding, bandages, medicine, thermal. Bandages, thermal, medicine, medicine. Do you want chocolate too? Oh, Dr. Harlow's here. Hi, GTG boy. Dr. Harlow. I'm meant to fire by. Stay away. Hamchaka. I just want the moolah. I just want the moolah. I'm surprised I still have my chocolate. $1,000? Okay, there's gonna be mad anomaly. There's gonna be mad anomalies. Chill out, man. Okay, it's different laptops, I guess. Man, I wish it was an anomaly. I'm getting vibes that is an anomaly. You got one. Nice, good for you. 6 more? Oh my. I love your smile, sir. That is 100% an anomaly. I never heard that sound. He's gonna give me a first photo and it's gonna make me -10. Okay. Sorry, but... Oh, no. Whenever I hear that, please don't give me a jump scare, bro. No, you just trying to be an anomaly. Just don't show it. Show the cant or an anomaly. Like I learned from the other times before. If you twitch, you're an anomaly. Greetings. Okay, what's your name? Tell me your name, Murdoch. Alright, let's get strong moist. Bro, how was the coffee ready? Holy coffee, bro. What was that noise? Not pods. Now I'm hearing sound. It's the... That's what's up there. Floor. Flukes or cough syrup. Yeah, that's what's up there. That's why it doesn't want me to look up. Basically for my own safety, but okay. Have a speedy recovery in your scary room. Okay. Register. Nice. The taser's all handy and he's ready. How much chocolate uses do I have? I think this is the last chocolate I got. Oh, Ron is gonna come soon. I'm surprised the guy that, who? This person. I want a faster microwave, bro. I hate it like how it goes like that, bro. Okay, finalized. Oh, damn. Cough syrup, thermal. Oh, what else? Bandages. Cough to thermal. Bandage. Cough. Thermal. Just give me something that I get jump scared for. Actually, I'm trying to keep the most sanity ever, bro. Oh my god, I'm an idiot. There's nobody in room 1, you idiot. Yo, you know there's nobody in here? Dear God. You know, these people are psychos. Yo, chill out, bro. I'm just getting my coffee. Is that the one in room 1? What are you even doing in there? Oh my god. I hope you're not. No. Lad, just give me a not cursed person. So I will type until I will tase him, bro. I will like literally like tase him. If he wants to mess with me. I'm 6. Okay, no. Oh, they're just talking to themselves because they're shy. Matthew, what's up, my man? Okay, Matthew. Okay, Matthew. Okay, Matthew. What you want? I'm trying to check you out, but like, you look normal as usual, my guy, Matthew. Just shaking it. Got a beautiful tail behind you. Dear God, you're still in here? I better walk you out, buddy. I would like you to get out first. The guy that wants coffee, I'll give him some coffee. Let's see what he got, boy. No, you know, he looks like mad skinny. Oh, hell no. So, you're literally an anomaly. So he gets out the door. Just can't believe this one. I don't care what this guy wants. That. Oh, shoot. I don't know. Okay, but that. Okay. Oh my god! Okay, let me think. Let me ask. That. Okay, that's easy. Oh my god! I used my auto clicker. That. Okay. That. Took it long enough. Oh my god. I know what Wait, Dr. Harlow. Oh my god. Cough syrup medicine. Cough syrup medicine. Cough syrup. Okay, bro. Just get me out of this place. I wonder how much is the max shifts. Okay. Oh, Matthew's been here for a while. Come on, please. Come on, don't do me like that. W. Looks good. Take your thing and get lost. 2 coffees. You know, I will literally give that guy, Barney, I will literally give him a free coffee. You have an appointment. Nice. Nice. Beautiful. Looking beautiful today, boy. I'm out. Dear God. Somebody's messing with these cameras, man. And I gotta clean up this. Don't step on it. You can be in 7? Okay, that's the heart. Bro, somebody. Is there a way you can run? That was so fast. Eye drops or ointment, maple syrup. Maple syrup, ointment, and eye drops. Eye drops. Nice. It says you can hold up to 3 medicines at a time. Wait, does that say he's Canadian? Yep. Nice. I'm surprised Ron from accounting didn't come. Yeah. Death ritual. Oh, damn, 5. Okay, let's just drink. Okay. Oh, syrup, maple syrup, bandages. He's Canadian and he has low sugar. Right? Chill out, bro. Tell this guy. gonna treat the prisoners. Okay, he said he's gonna be in. Oh, he's in a roommate. I gotta do the thing with him. Oh my god, I made eye contact. That was a joke, it was a joke, it was a joke. I bet. Oh my god. Get out of my face. Get out of my face, boy. I like how it finalizes so fast. Oh, wait, let's check out the stores. Cough syrup, maple syrup, medicine. Cough syrup, maple syrup, medicine. Maple syrup, cough syrup, medicine, medicine, medicine. Bro, we're gonna live at this hospital, boy. Happy speedy recovery, sir. Just try me. Did that take off the thing? Yes, it does. Alright. Antibiotics. Oh my god, am I dead? Medikit. Bandages. Five. Go. Blood sugar Canadian. Maple syrup. Recovery. Bro. Chill out, bro. It's gonna be something. Why you running out, bro? This is an animal hospital to save people at. Should be good right now. Headaches. Thermal eye drops bandage. I just used up that taser, bro. Thermal eye drops bandages. Thermal eye drops bandages. Bro, I got so scared, bro. Cause I don't even know what to do. This guy's gonna be in another too. And somebody's gonna do a death ritual soon. Just, it'll save me time. Analyze it. Ivy dropped. Maple. Medkit. Medkit, Ivy, Maple. Ivy, Medkit. Ivy, Medkit. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. 5, 4, boom. This guy. Bro, Harlow's gonna be so fun. Canadian Fever. Thermal and Maple, right? Yep. I can't move! I can't move! I can't move. Oh my god! Alright, bro. I cannot do the game, bro. Oh my god. Alright. Thank you for watching. Also, an update. I'm going to camping, so I wouldn't be posting for a few days. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for helping me out part of your day. Peace.